Have you ever yearned for a simple solution to banish debts and bad luck from your life forever? Imagine waking up each morning free from the burden of financial stress, surrounded by an abundance of opportunities. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey into the realm of ancient wisdom and mystical practices. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil a secret that has captivated the minds of the wisest sages and wealthiest minds throughout history. Get ready for a surprising change that promises to transform your financial situation and elevate your life to new heights. Join us as we delve into the depths of Buddhist stories and Zen philosophy to uncover the key to unlocking a life filled with prosperity and abundance. Are you ready to take the first step towards a future free from debts and bad luck? Let's dive in and discover the secrets that await us on this extraordinary journey. Welcome to our channel, Insightful Wisdom. Let's start the video. In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a man named Koji. Once a successful businessman, Koji had fallen on hard times. Debts piled up like mountains, and bad luck seemed to follow him wherever he went. Desperate for a change, Koji turned to ancient wisdom for guidance. One evening, as Koji wandered through the narrow streets of the city, he stumbled upon a small, dimly lit shop tucked away in a quiet corner. Intrigued, he pushed open the creaky door and stepped inside. The shop was filled with an assortment of curious objects, each more mysterious than the last. But one item in particular caught Koji's eye: a small, intricately carved wooden box adorned with symbols of prosperity and abundance. Approaching the counter, Koji spoke to the elderly shopkeeper, who greeted him with a warm smile. "Tell me, old man," Koji began, "what is the secret to banishing debts and bad luck from one's life?" The shopkeeper's eyes twinkled with wisdom as he handed Koji the wooden box. "Inside this box," he whispered, "lies a powerful talisman, a sacred bay leaf infused with ancient blessings. Place it beneath your pillow each night and watch as your fortunes change." Intrigued by the shopkeeper's words, Koji thanked him and left the shop, clutching the wooden box tightly in his hand. That night, as Koji lay in bed, he placed the sacred bay leaf beneath his pillow and drifted off to sleep. And as he slept, he dreamed of a world filled with prosperity and abundance, where debts were but a distant memory and bad luck had vanished like a wisp of smoke. When Koji awoke, the next morning, he felt a sense of peace unlike anything he had ever known. And as he went about his day, he noticed a subtle shift in the world around him. Opportunities seemed to present themselves at every turn, and obstacles that once stood in his way melted away like snow in the sun. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. With each passing day, Koji's fortunes continued to improve. Debts that had once weighed him down were paid off in full, and new ventures blossomed with success. But it wasn't just Koji's financial situation that changed. His outlook on life underwent a profound transformation as well. No longer burdened by worries of debts and bad luck, Koji found himself filled with a sense of gratitude and abundance. He realized that true wealth lay not in material possessions, but in the richness of his own heart. So, armed with the wisdom of ancient teachings and the power of a sacred talisman, Koji embarked on a new journey, one filled with hope, possibility, and the boundless promise of a life well lived. If you've been inspired by today's story and wish to embark on your own journey of transformation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.